Welcome to Lahore, the heart of Pakistan, and today we take you on a journey to one of the most iconic landmarks of our nation, Minar-e-Pakistan. Minar-e-Pakistan stands tall and proud in Iqbal Park, symbolizing the aspirations and dreams of millions. But what makes this monument so special? Let's delve into its history and significance. It was on this very ground on the 23rd of March 1940 that the Lahore Resolution was passed. This resolution paved the way for the creation of Pakistan, a separate homeland for the Muslims of the Indian subcontinent. Construction of Minar-e-Pakistan began in 1960 and was completed in 1968. Designed by Turkish architect Murat Khan, the Minar stands at 70 meters tall, combining elements of Mughal, Islamic, and modern architecture. Visitors from all over the world come to see this magnificent structure. Each level of the Minar offers a unique perspective, providing a panoramic view of the city of Lahore. Visitor, it's such an inspiring place. Standing here, you can almost feel the spirit and resolve of those who fought for Pakistan's independence. Iqbal Park, surrounding Minar-e-Pakistan, is a popular recreational spot for families. It's not just a historical site, but also a place where people come to relax and connect with their heritage. As night falls, the Minar lights up, casting a serene glow over the city. It's a reminder of the enduring spirit of the Pakistani people and the legacy of those who fought for its creation. Minar-e-Pakistan is more than just a monument. It's a symbol of unity, resilience, and hope. It stands as a testament to the dreams of millions and the journey of a nation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of Pakistan's rich history and culture.